got a little do.
Yeah, got a little action back there.
Good stuff. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute. We're gonna jump right into it with the vlog. So it is Friday at 5:56 and I need to pack some clothes so I can go to Decatur so that I can go to one of my good friends and sorority sisters' bridal shower tomorrow. So I have a whole bunch of stuff here hanging on the closet. We are gonna try this stuff on. Gonna have the hubs help me out, film it for me, let y'all see what we got going on. And then we're gonna choose a outfit to wear to the shower tomorrow, so stay tuned. I feel like this is kind of sexified. I got my boobies out and everything else on the top. Don't mind my bra, because it's, you know, it's a regular day. But what do you think, husband?
I think you look good. Spin around one time for me.
But still, for the occasion though.
I don't think it's too dressy. Yeah, got a little action back there.
This looks better, I feel like, than the first time I watched. Imagine old legs. Minus the scarf.
Yeah, you giving it to me.
So, look one. So, this is a little more classic conservative. Then I feel like the shoes give you a little something. A little spice, a little entice.
Spice and entice.
Yeah. They were kind of sexified, you know?
Yes,
They
indeed.
give you a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Give you a little thigh. You know?
Especially you been working them thighs.
You know?
I'm trying to work them thighs.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, hold on with the tone with the pop on them.
Trying to, you know?
Ah!
You don't see it?
Yeah.
Just checking. But yeah, so what do you think about this one?
Shoot, I always like this one.
And I feel like these shoes could have gone with that first dress too, now that I got them wrong. Since they are red and it was red.
Yeah, they'll definitely pop together. But see, that's why you got so
This
many.
one's more comfortable though than that one.
So that dress is more comfortable. But them shoes, now them shoes do go good
Now,
with
these
that
shoes are more
dress.
comfortable too though, even though they're really high.
A real thick wedge looking. Yeah.
They're definitely, just like I'm going somewhere. These are more comfortable. Look, number 3. So, you know, this is the little shawl thing that I just got, right? I was hoping to wear with pants, but couldn't find any pants. So, this is what we have. Now, I really like it because I like the neutral with the pops of color. And I just got a new lip color in the mail that'll match this. Really cute. But, it's white. I'm going to a bridal thing, shower, tea, but I'm not the bride.
So you can't wear white?
I don't know. I don't know what that, I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know.
So
So that's my struggle bus right now is, can I wear white? I feel like I got this, you know, shawl on top and it's like, you know, giving me a little something something. I feel like it'd be super cute. So what do you think about that shoe?
I think that one works. Was it comfortable as far as like,
Oh yeah.
if you had to walk a while?
I mean, any wedge is gonna be more comfortable than one of these. This one's not too high, you know, so it won't be too bad, but it's not my favorite.
I like the wedge better.
Right. And then last but not least, my good old faithful. I've had these forever. They're so comfortable, but way neutral.
I think I like the wedges, the first wedges first. better.
All right. So I guess I'm gonna be wearing white to the shower. Hopefully that's okay. We're gonna find out. So let's finish packing. All right, so it's now the next day. It's Saturday. It is 11:13. We are just now getting in the car. The shower started at 11 o'clock. And, you know, for everybody that knows me, I'm not on time. It's not on purpose. It's just happened that way. And we're behind. But we're cute. You know, we got our outfit on that we said we were gonna wear. We paired it with some cute earrings, a little necklace, nothing too much, but a pop on the lip. Nice, you know, natural glowy face. A little something something, a little high pony, frizzy pony, you know. I would have curled it, didn't have time. Would have did a bun, didn't have time. Don't have time to be sitting here talking about this right now. We have got to hit the road. So, see y'all when we get there. All right, here we are, Nugget. Say hello. We are here, and it's beautiful looking. Get your thing back, chump. And the bride-to-be is over there. Okay, so the shower was a success. It is now 5 o'clock p.m. We are heading back to Decatur from the shower. I think we had a great time. My chunker got to have some fun playing with his friend. And yeah, I think it all was a success. The outfit worked out, the jewelry and everything with it worked out. The hair did not get done as I hoped that it would, but you know, whatever. We made the ponytail work and turned it into a bun when it got too